God, sorry. Didn't get that much good sleep last night. I was woken up again at 7:15 in the morning by the neighbours shouting out for people to wake up. I tried to get back to sleep then, but nope. They kept throwing that ball onto the laminated flooring and banging onto the radiator, which kept me up for a bit. So I banged on the wall back, but they must be deaf or something because they didn't hear me and they kept on going. So I kind of dozed back off, and then Tom woke me up then. I think it was 10 to 1 or something like that. Okay. He was going up to the uni-wise to see Sarah. My body's just not really there wise, so how fun's that? Oh no, my sorry for that, I had a coughing. Not apart from that, but yeah, I think my voice may be going as well, so how fun's that? Made it up to uni, although I feel like crap more and more. I know that definitely, when I finish uni, I know I need to do shopping later to get some stuff for the covers and stuff, but I'll get med as well, so at least then I feel a bit. But no, I was just thinking this over now while I was talking with Chris on my hand phone. Yeah, I put my phone on here, easy to get to. But no, I thought I could really do now with a nice plate of chips and a nice long fish finger. You know, like the ones you get in primary school? I love those. Right, gonna go up, gonna see Sarah. Sorry, Dr. Sarah. That's gonna be a new thing. Dr. Sarah. But yeah, gotta go see her and hopefully see if I can get this sorted. He's now finished his essay work. I've talked to Sarah, Dr. Sarah. That's gonna get a new thing now, the hand as well. Flail of the hand, it's the doctor.
Dr. Sarah.
Yeah. But, no, it's I had a word with her, so I know, I know what to do, where to go, where to start, and how to structure it. But yeah. Now we're gonna head down to town because I need to get some crap.
And I want to get some food and celebrate. I'm done. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I got some Vine. Look for me on Vine. Tom Arnold. I do stuff whenever I feel like it.
Did you just plug your crap on my show?
Well, you plug your crap on YouTube, so we're all good.
No, that's the thing. My stuff's already plugged. You know, it's like saying something like, you know, like, if you want some best shows from CTFXE, go to dftpa.com. See, that's plugging it.
I've already done it.
I know, you just basically plugged your Vine. Check out his Vine. Good, accomplished. On, see if I got everything. Yeah, just in case. But yeah, just checking if I had my academy. Alright, we just had food. Look! It's Twirly Twirly Rad! Twirly Twirly Rad! Can't see it, but still. Twirly Twirly Rad! Matt, are you vining me?
He's a vlogging.
Are you vining me?
I'm a vining.
You are vining me?
He's a vlogging.
I'm gonna kill you.
I'm a vining. Go watch him on his vlog.
Yeah! Sorry. Look around. What we're gonna do in town, Tom? Yeah! That was so dramatically crap.
Hold on.
What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Behave and don't kill the ducks again.
Well, they insulted my face, so...
They were quackers.
So I thought they were cracking, man. So I cracked a pop when they crack.
Yep. He's heading off home. I'm heading off to...
Curse the deranged demon who does this to headphones.
He says in a very Shakespearean tone. So yeah. Yeah. Swear them as they are.
Okay.
Go on. Much better. Shopping done. Just to pick up one or two little... Oh, I forgot about these. Orange juice. And thingy bob yogurts. I knew I forgot something. Bed be comfy, even with heating on. Yep. I napped again. So I feel like crap. Sort of. Oh, let's see what Tom's doing. Maybe get some. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, and food. Need some food in me. So I found that today has been weird. Sorry, my throat feels like crap now. Again, I should have bought some medicine, which I totally forgot to do in town. But yeah, just basically looking to see what's happening with the world. And then going on Old Republic for another night in with Old Republic. Oh, that was bad. Not so viney now, are you? Oh, damn it. Can't take him anywhere with the vine. Oh, wait, when did you start vining?
Yesterday.
And how many vines have you done? How many?
10.
God, he's addicted. Stop kicking. Or vining or whatever they do these days.
I'm not.
Good.
I was earlier though. They have a category for cats. And dogs.
Oh.
But kitties! Kitty vines. Cats rule the internet.
Apparently they do. Yes, Mr. Mittens. Overlord.
Meow.
Yes.
Meow.
Blowing up the candle for tonight. But yeah, calling it a night here, guys. Today's just been a weirdish day, so I'm gonna quickly check my emails and then I'm gonna get to bed. So yeah, thanks again, guys, for watching today's vlog. I know that these vlogs are getting a bit ridiculous wise of me not doing as much as, but I know I'm trying my best. But apart from that, it's just trying to see what I can do for the day wise. But tomorrow should be interesting, I hope. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand spanking new days, and thank you again for watching these videos. And again, you know, like these videos because I like to know if you guys out there are enjoying them, because that's hella awesome if you are. Because I've been asking people if you can like this, you know, show me if you like them. The numbers have gone up really to show how much people are liking the vlogs, and I'm like, wow, that's amazing. But yeah, if you could do that, that's hella awesome. As well as that, don't forget now to subscribe if you're new to the channel, because it is hella awesome. You can see what's been happening for the last 3 years odd. So yeah, until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, guys. I'll stop.
Jamie's Vlog. Jamie's Vlog. Jamie's Vlog. Jamie's Vlog. Jamie's Vlog.